Welcome back. Zachary Divelbiss here with Future First Criminal Law, third segment of our live series here. In order to get you a little more understanding of the 5 reasons that I've listed out for hiring a criminal defense lawyer. Not a comprehensive list of every reason. Reason number 5 really has one of the top ones that we believe most people really should be hiring a lawyer. It's what we focus our firm on. But first, I want to get through the next few here. I'm going to recap ever so slightly. Our first reason here is it's not a fair fight. Not a fair fight, especially against the police officers, against the system that's been around for so long, work against you and your best interest. Then the second reason we just went over is because of the police investigation. The police investigation's there to find evidence against you, which you might think is standard, but conversely, they ignore evidence with you to understand your side of the story, to look at all the facts, not just what the police put in the police report, which we know with experience is going to be very one-sided. The police are going to look for the pieces of the evidence that fit their story to prove you guilty, and they're going to try and ignore it and, minimize anything else that might actually be there to help you. Very tough pill to swallow. That's the reality of the system and the way that it works, and we went over that. The third reason that we have listed that we had there, but the police try and overreach a lot of times. They like to try and push the limits of the things that they're allowed to do. Just like you have a job, you've been at it for 6 months, a year and a half, even longer. You find a bunch of shortcuts. You find ways to make your job easier. You begin to predict what your boss is going to ask and what's going to happen with your clients, and you try and just give them the answer there in advance. Well, the same thing happens with the police officers. Police officers, they're trained. They do the same thing almost every single day, and then ultimately they get to then take the shortcuts, the things that they're not allowed to do, nor should they be doing. They're going to try and get extra evidence against you. They're going to try and violate your constitutional rights in order to make their paperwork easier. They don't necessarily think that they're doing something wrong, but they know that there are shortcuts to some of the things that they can do. So that is the third reason here why you should definitely always consider hiring a lawyer to get help if you are facing a criminal charge. If you are facing criminal charges, don't face them alone. Please contact me, contact our office, and we'll be able to help you.